Hello everyone, this is Will Brooks and my mission is to make coding fun and easy to learn. In this short video, I will show you how to add an image into your website. At the end of this video, I will share two fantastic websites where you can get thousands and thousands of images for free. So stay tuned. I am using Replit as my text editor in this video because you can add code in the middle and quickly see what it looks like on the right side. First, let's upload an image we want to use. I will go to the top left and click Upload File. And I'm going to hit Browse. And I'm going to use my roast pork image. I actually used it in a prior video explaining how to create links and clickable buttons. If you're interested, please feel free to check those videos. Now that we uploaded the image, it's time to add it to our website. We're going to add it into the body. So I'm going to click on line 6, hit return twice, and then let's add IMG, which stands for image. Then you type in SRC, means source, space, equals, and then we have our quotation mark, and then you have to put in exactly what the image is named. In my case, I named it roast pork.jpg. Okay, and then let's close that right there. Okay, there are images in. Now make sure you spell what is in the quotes exactly what the image is named, otherwise it won't display on the image. If you want to send a package to New York, for example, but forget to type in the city, the letter won't get there, and it's the same with the image name. So let's click Run, and then on the right side we'll be able to see our image. Whoa! That image is huge. Look at that. Look at that huge roast pork. Well, that's a great thing, because I want to show you how we can fix that. Let's go back into our element, and let's click in right after the quotation there, and we're going to type in width, width, and space equals, everybody seeing a little pattern here, and then quotation mark, and then we're going to type in 100 pixels. Okay, 100 pixels. And if you're wondering about adding height, don't worry, because it will auto adjust. So now let's run this and see what it looks like. Oh, it's much better now. But I still think it's a little bit, now I think it's a little bit too small. So let's change the pixels. That's an easy fix. Let's change the pixels from 100 to 300. All right, let's go back in there, 300. And then let's run it and see what it looks like. Perfect, that looks much better. But we're not done yet. What if our picture fails to load on the browser, or one of our visitors is visually impaired and is using VoiceOver? No problem, we need to add an alt attribute which specifies an alternate text, and I will show you what that looks like. Okay, so in front of the quotation mark after PX, we're going to hit space, and we're going to hit ALT, space, equals, see the pattern again? Quotation mark, and I'm going to type image of roast pork. Okay, great. So, you can put anything you want in those quotations, but normally it would describe the picture that you're supposed to see. And in this case, the picture is roast pork. So in order to simulate the image failing, so you can see how this is going to work, I'm going to, on purpose, misspell the word roast in roast pork. I think I will delete the A, and it'll be roast pork. Okay, now that's not going to work, so the image is going to fail. Let's hit run. And there you go, image of roast pork. Okay. So now let's go back and put the A back in. Okay, there, the A's back in, and let's run it again. And there we go. There's our picture. Great. Now the last thing I want to introduce is the use of a folder. Usually images are stored in a folder, and I will create a new folder on the left side, and I'm going to call it images. So I'm going to go to here on the left side, click on that plus button, add folder. I'm going to call it images. Okay, hit return. So there we have that folder images. Now, I'm going to take that roast pork image and I'm just going to drop it into that folder. Okay, now it's in the folder. Let's close that up. Now I'm going to hit run again. And oh no, the image is gone. Why is that? Well, that's because by putting it in a folder, you're changing the name of the image. So let's go into the folder and I will show you. So let's go into the folder. Let's click on roast pork. Look at the top above that picture roast pork, all the way at the top in that small letters, it says images /roast pork.jpg. Okay, it added the images / because it's in the folder. Well, that's an easy fix for us because we just have to go back here into line number 8 and add images /. So we're going to go to we're gonna add images and /, and then let's run this again. And there's our picture. Perfect. Now we're fine. So to review what we did today, we added an image to our website, we resized it, we added an alternate text, and then put our image in a folder, and then changed the image name. Now, on to the bonus websites that I promised at the beginning of this video. But first, a short warning. When using other artists' images, you have to be careful about copyright laws. I want to introduce 2 websites now that have thousands and thousands of free images in which you do not have to worry about copyright laws. But first, please like and subscribe below because I'll be making more of these short tutorials in the near future. Please feel free to leave comments below. Let me know what you want to learn. Okay, the first website is Pixabay. They have amazing images. A lot of these are free. Look at the universe images. Aren't they amazing? The second website is called Unsplash. Again, they have amazing free pictures. I just typed in roast pork here and you can find lots of pictures, free pictures of roast pork. I will leave these websites in the description below. Okay, well that brings me to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button below. And thank you so much for watching.